Hi everybody. Man, I'll tell you, this is a real heartache. This is a fairly decent hive this summer. Produced 2 supers of honey, and I opened up this top. I couldn't believe it. Look at that. I mean, there are wax moth larvae all over. So it kind of just goes to show you, nobody is immune to these hive pests. Everything's going into a tub of soapy water. This hive is definitely dead. Wax moth. Oh my god, I've never had it this bad, ever. That is just horrible. Once again, soapy water. But I guess one thing that's positive, I guess there's never what baffles are working against the beetles, because I don't see any. But man, that is loaded with wax moths. In my 11 years of beekeeping, I have never, ever seen it that bad. What the bottom looks like. Sorry for jittering the camera, but I'm doing this one-handed. I'm going to split the box here. Oh Lord. Look at that. All over. Just, I hate these things. There they go, into the soapy water. But I'll tell you one thing. The baffles are stopping the hive beetles, because there are no hive beetles. Just loaded with wax moths. This thing out. That is the grossest hive I have ever seen. Well, all I can do is clean everything up and start a new hive. Get rid of these wax moth larvae. So I just wanted to show you, man, no matter how careful you try to be, there's always something there to take advantage. But once again, I want to show you there are no hive beetle larvae. I don't see any hive beetles at all, anywhere. Just a bunch of wax moths. Look, I'm going all through that comb still. Hundreds and hundreds of wax moths. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, folks, I got my work ahead of me, so all I can say is it happens to everybody. Good luck with your bees.